How to lock your photos on Android. This tutorial shows you how to protect your private photo albums using the built-in lock feature. First, open the Gallery app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner to open the menu. After that, tap on Settings to access Gallery settings. Now, scroll down and look for Gallery Labs or About Gallery. Moving forward, tap on Gallery Labs to access experimental features. Afterwards, scroll down and look for Lock Albums or Secure Album. In addition to that, toggle on Lock Albums to enable this feature. Once there, you may need to set up a PIN, password, pattern, or use your fingerprint. Subsequently, enter your preferred lock method and confirm it. Moreover, go back to your gallery main screen and find the album you want to lock. Afterwards, long press on the album to select it. Then, tap on the three dots icon right corner. Within the menu, tap on Lock or Lock Album. Alternatively, you can repeat this process for multiple albums you want to protect. Once locked, the album will show a lock icon and require authentication to open. Then, anyone trying to view these albums will need to enter your PIN or use your fingerprint. And that's it. If this photo locking guide helped you secure your private pictures, give it a like, subscribe for more privacy tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.